Well, here we are again, and Jacob's asked me to do another little video for his YouTube channel. So how many of you guys actually fix your own bikes? Yeah, do you fix your own bikes? Do you spanner them like we do over here? So, what we're doing today is on the Suzuki little rice grinder. You can see is carburetors, cleaning the carburetors out and sticking some bigger jets in. So basically, as you can see, here's all the carbs. Okay, inside there you've got your float bulbs, your main jets, your idle jets, and what I'm doing now is I'm just putting bigger jets in. So these were the ones that I've taken out, and they are 152.5s, and I've now upped it to 160s. So they're all in there now. So I'm just going to stick them back on, stick the air filters back on, and then get it fired up. So talk to you later. Bye bye.